Hello, and welcome to K&H Productions. I'm Hannah.
And I'm Callie. So, you know how tomorrow's Mother's Day?
Well, we went to the store earlier today with my sister. We bought a few things for my mother.
And we are going to wrap them for her.
Yes, let's just hope she doesn't come home before we're done.
So we have some magnets, pretty,
to go on this black whiteboard.
We also have a necklace and
clipper magnets to go on the black whiteboard.
to wrap with.
Okay.
Got it.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Wait.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. How do we do this?
Okay, now cut it like okay. Cut it now.
No, not that.
Yeah. Okay.
We're very experienced at wrapping presents, as you can tell. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Got it.
Okay.
Now we will try to wrap this
Try to finish
black whiteboard.
Where's the Got it. Okay, let's get all this stuff off.
Shouldn't we like keep this part together?
Okay. We're not very good at this.
No, we don't really know what we're doing.
We were just told to wrap this, so
Probably.
okay. Let's see what's gonna happen. And let's see
We're gonna be professionals one day.
We're almost done.
Now,
Do some smooth corners.
Possibly.
Maybe.
Oh wow.
Okay. Right there. Put a little over here. And a little over here. We're over halfway done.
Oh,
Turn it over.
Do something else weird with the corners.
Get some paper ready. And tape on. Ta-da, we're done.
Ta-da. Well, with this anyway.
Yeah.
We'll put this
Now
over here with her.
Other things.
Okay, yeah.
Now we need to put these magnets, this necklace,
These clipper magnets.
into this bag.
Yes.
With that paper in it to make it
Tissue paper. Yay.
pretty.
Okay. We
So,
ran out of pretty stuff, so we're using Christmas stuff.
with snowflakes.
Yeah.
Pretty. First, put this stuff in. Maybe.
Possibly.
Okay. Second, let's put the paper in. Now we're good at this.
Yeah. Hey, why is this? Oh, never mind. No. Why are there yellow snowflakes? That's just wrong.
Yeah. Yellow snowflakes. Don't eat yellow snowflakes. Okay. And we are finished. Ta-da!
Ta-da.
Bye.
Bye.